See what I found. It's a lock. Oh-ho. Wow, my friends. It's an ancient lock. Maybe somewhere here. Gold ring. No. Was another signal. Oh, we are lucky. Oh yeah, how it's beautiful. Hello my friends, it's Belarus and now we're going to find something interesting. But so much snow. Last spring I found an interesting foundation in this forest, and today we try to find something interesting on its foundation with my shovel and deus, but I can't recognize the place. Maybe it's here. Yes, this little hill is a foundation of ancient imperial house, house of imperial times. This is a little life hack for keep coil clean. But first of all, we need to clean a little bit of snow. Start to check the signals. You hear so much iron signals, but I hear and something like copper. And here maybe a good signal. Need to check. I check it with my pointer. Oh no! Oh no! It's a cork from bottle of beer, of Russian, maybe a Soviet beer. Yeah, old rusty cork. A worm. It's alive. Maybe it's a California worm. Oh. Oh. You see? Looks like a women's hairpin. Yeah, ancient. Middle of 20th century. Soviet times. A good find, yes? Do you think? Oh. A good signal. Need to check to dig. Oh. Yes. Oh, roots. Wasted. Oh, it's snowing again. Iron target. Oh, my English is the best. I know. Signal is disappeared. You hear? It's very good signal. Oh, something. Yeah. Oh, it's a coin. It's a coin, guys. Oh, big coin. Well, I clean it with my toothbrush. Oh, yes. Okay, not my toothbrush. Also, snow is very good to wash old coins. Oh, 3 kopecks. Of 1909. Yes, you see, it's Imperial eagle. It's a big copper coin of Russian Tsar Nicola II. It's a forest condition of coin. Yes, a good place, I think. It's a good find. I need your like. It's a piece of old brick. You see? Maybe it was a piece of wall. All this stone was a foundation. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you see it? Oh, it's a Soviet sleeve without bullet. It's very often found in Belarus. Very often. And what it was, this big rusty iron round, half round. Not important, it's waste. Oh, I've cleaned some more place. And you see this mountain? This snow mountain? Maybe I need snowboard. Here. Oh, piece of glass. Maybe it was a bottle of wine. No, it was a bottle of beer. Signal is here. Oh. Even double signal is the best. Very good. Maybe it's a ring, gold ring. Lucky or no? Oh, yeah, very good signal. Something is here. Oh, yeah, something round. Hey, have to know what is it? Yeah. Yes, it's Russian 1981. Soviet 5 kopecks. USSR. See, good condition. Do you have such coin in your collection, huh? Ooh. Oh yeah, big rusty nail. A black metal, yeah? I've cleaned some more place. And now you see, we are lucky what I found. See, oh yes. Wow, it's a horseshoe. Old Belarusian horseshoe. Well, I wish you good luck. It was signal from a deep hole. I don't know. What is it? I think it was a large Belarusian monocular. Oh, see what I found. It's a luck. Oh, wow, my friends, it's an ancient luck. I think there was a wall of former house, and here was a corner of the house. See, here is a good signal, but the bushes then. No, need to dig. Wow. Maybe a good iron, but oh, here. Wow. Oh, oh, whoa, hey. Coin. Yes, it's a coin. Yeah. Something new. Early Soviet. 3 kopecks. I'll take it. Poor frozen coil of Deus. Huh? Still alive. Now I start to check deeper signals. I'm a quick, wet boy and digging holes for coins. A piece of ceramic. Maybe it was a pot of gold. I'm going near the ball, and from this deep hole there was very good signal, but very deep. Dig and dig. See what this? Yeah, there's a coin. Now we see. Whoa! Yes, yes. Russian Empire coin. 1898. 2 kopecks of Russian Tsar Nikolai II. Well, in good condition. Little bit green, but okay. And I found you, flightless bird. Not bad, not bad. I think that 2 heads is too much. It's admirable. Oh guys, I've got something interesting. Oh. Something from Russian cosmetics. Yeah. You see? Oh, it's not open. I'll see at home. So many bricks here. Oh. It was a not very bad signal, and now I will check it. Oh, oh no, no, it's impossible. Just a nail. No, 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 no. It was another signal. Oh, what? Whoa. It seems coin. Yeah. No. Oh no. It's a button. It's a... Oh shit. It's an old button. Oh. I see something on it. Wow. I see an eagle. Oh. But it's not a Russian eagle. One head. It's a normal bird. Yeah. I think it was a French button. Maybe a French button. Need to recognize. Yes, it's a good find. I think it's very good find. Well, guys, not bad, not bad. It's a real treasure hunting. Going back by my footsteps. It's useful. Oh no, now I need to clean my car. I'll have some tea and go home now. Half round. Half cycle. No? I don't know how it write in English. Round or cycle? Half round or half cycle?